monkey. I got the monkey. I got the monkey. I got the monkey. What's that? Who's that? Oh, that's the alligator. I think it goes right there.
Alligator.
Okay.
And I found a monkey.
Goes right there. Oh, you found the. Oh, that's another monkey. Yeah. I bet he's up here in a tree somewhere.
This. I found
Right
this.
there. Right there. No.
No. For the alligator.
Oh.
Alligator
Oh,
down
yeah. Oh,
here.
he goes down here. Yeah, you're right. Okay. What's that?
Down this.
Where's he go? Where's the baby go? Up here, maybe? Right here? Okay. Let's get another piece.
This. This.
Right here. He's got the monkey on him? Monkey tail? All right.
This.
Now go where the blue is.
Okay. Oh, that's the anteater. That's the anteater's face. Yeah. So he is over here. Right here.
Yeah, for the alligator.
You found something for the alligator?
That's the tail.
That's the tail? So it's right there. Yeah.
That's
What a smart boy he is. Okay.
He knows his puzzle.
And I found a frog. A frog.
The frog? Yes, that is the frog. And I think he's up here in the tree. What you got?
What's her name?
Oh, no, let's see. Oh, that's the llama. That's right here. That's the llama. Yeah. Llama. I'm sorry. Llama.
This.
What's that? What is that thing?
Oh no, it's on the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He goes right here though. Yeah. That's the capybara. Capybara. What we got?
Let's
Go
go.
right here. Let's go right here. Right there. Nope. How about right here? Turn around. Turn around one more time. Turn around one more time. That goes right here. This piece right here. John, this right here goes here. Turn around. Turn around. And put it straight in there. There you go. That's a big boy. He makes puzzles like Papa. Here we go.
Yeah, we cut it out.
Oh, we're down to 3 pieces.
That's
See where to go. Okay, that's the armadillo. I think he goes here, right?
yeah. And then let me do this.
Okay, I'll let you do it. All right.
Then let me do this.
Okay, can you get it? Can you reach? Reach. Ta-da! All done. All done.
Daddy,
All
want
done.
to see it?
All done. Beautiful.
Mommy, I see it. Cheese.
Cheese, Mommy, I did it.
Can you say I did it?
You see I did it?
I did it.
Yay!
That's a good puzzle, Gammy. Gammy found this puzzle.
I found it.
I know it.
That's it.
Oh, this is the one for Jocelyn?